back to the Net Effect. I'm Ashwati Krishna, your study partner to crack UGC Net. Our today's topic is something special. Today we are going to discuss some important years in the history of newspaper journalism. If you are turning up for any journalism related exam, you should know all these important years. I am sharing with you my short notes which I have prepared while getting ready for the exam. So let's begin. First one is 1780. What was so special about 1780? James Augustus Hickey's Bengal Gazette was published in 1780. It was a sensation of that time. Hickey's Gazette was the first newspaper in India, and Hickey tried to cover everything that might be vital to Calcutta. He devoted several pages to politics and world news. While covering all the important happenings, he persuaded citizens to write letters and poems. Next is 1784. The Madras Courier was the first newspaper to be published in Madras. It was the leading newspaper of its time and was the officially recognized newspaper for printing government notifications. Started by Richard Johnson, the paper ceased publishing on 19th January 1819. 1789. Bombay Herald. First newspaper published from Bombay. The newspaper's name was changed to Bombay Gazette in 1791. The newspaper continued to be published up to early 1900. In 1796, Indian Herald by Humphrey started publishing. 1799. Press Regulation. Lord Wellesley brought the Censorship of Press Act. The idea was to stop the French from publishing anything which could harm British in any way. This act brought all the newspapers under the government scrutiny before their publication. 1811. Calcutta Chronicle by James Silk Buckingham. 1813. Samachar Darpan by Baptist Missionary Society. It was the first Indian language weekly newspaper published in Bengali. Samachar Darpan was published during the tenure of Lord Hastings. 1818. Digdarshan was the first periodical of Bengal in Bangla language. It was a monthly periodical published by the Sarampur Baptist Mission. Digdarshan was the first publication that carrying science stories in Hindi, Bengali and English, marking the beginning of science journalism in India. 1822. Sambat Kaumudi by Rajaram Mohan Roy was a Bengali weekly newspaper published from Calcutta. It was a noted pro-reformist publication that actively campaigned for the abolition of the sati. Miratul Akbar and Brahminical magazines were the other two publications by Rajaram Mohan Roy. 1822. Bombay Samachar is the oldest continuously published newspaper in India, established in 1822 by Fardunji Masban. 1823. Press Ordinance by John Adam. According to this regulation, press without license was a penal offence. The restriction was directed mainly to Indian language newspapers or those edited by the Indians. We discussed this press ordinance while we were discussing media laws. I have given the link in the description below. Those who wanted to get a better idea can watch that video. 1826. Udant Martand, The Rising Sun, was the first Hindi language newspaper published in India. Jugal Kishore Shukla was the publisher of the vernacular newspaper. 1835. The Metcalfe Act. Governor General Lord Metcalfe, the successor of Bentinck, came to power in 1835. Like Bentinck, he was a liberal and held strong views in favor of freedom of the press. He repealed the obnoxious 1823 ordinance and earned the nickname Liberator of the Indian Press. The new Press Act required a printer or publisher to give a precise account of premises of a publication and cease functioning if required by a similar declaration. When the press ordinance was restricting the press, this act was trying to regulate the press. 1838. The Times of India, the world's largest selling English newspaper, issued its first edition on 3rd November 1838 as the Bombay Times and Journal of Commerce. It was published every Saturday and Wednesday. It became a daily in 1850. The Bombay Times and the Journal of Commerce changed its name to the Times of India in 1861. One of the most renowned journalists with the Times of India was Robert Knight. Knight's editorial brought popularity to the newspaper. There were times when the newspaper was termed as an intellectual paper. In the same year, the Pioneer started its publishing. Pioneer is the second oldest newspaper in India. 1847, Rajya Samacharam, first Malayalam journal published in Kerala. Its first issue came out in June 1847. Herman Gundert, the editor of the journal, was a religious propagator from the Basil Evangelical Mission Society. 1857, The Statesman is an Indian English newspaper. It played a key role by voicing against Indira Gandhi's emergency declaration in 1975. 1857, Gauging Act. We have already discussed about it. Lord Canning introduced the Gauging Act in 1857. The other important points are mandatory licensing for running, printing or press. Government has the power to ban any publication. This act can be called a reintroduction of John Adams' Press Ordinance in 1823. It was expired in 1858. 1867, Press Registration of Books Act. It was a regulatory law which enabled government to regulate printing presses and newspapers by a system of registration and to preserve copies of books and the other matter printed in India. 1868, Amrit Basar Patrika by two brothers, Shishir Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh. Originally published in Bengali script, it first started out as a weekly newspaper. The newspaper voiced against the colonial rule and the Vernacular Press Act aimed the Amrit Basar Patrika. The Vernacular Act of 1878 was against newspapers that published in local language, that is vernacular language. Amrit Basar Patrika stopped publishing news in Bengali and became an English newspaper overnight. Can you imagine it? Thank you so much for watching Net Effect. We will continue this session in the coming episodes. Take care. Bye-bye.